Welcome to appleguide. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to enjoy an ambient sound on your iPhone and iPad. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Accessibility. Scroll down to Audio/Visual. Click on Background Sound. Switch on Background Sound. Now from here you can select different sounds. You can also increase the volume as well. And if you would like to use it when media is playing, you just switch it on. Now the last part is, if you want this sound to stop when your device is locked, you just switch it on. This is how you enjoy an ambient sound on your iPad and iPhone.